Repairing power armor in Fallout 4 is essential to keep it in good condition. So here's how you can do it. First, make sure you have the necessary materials. You're going to need resources like steel, aluminum, and circuitry, which you can find by scavenging the wasteland or breaking down junk items. All right, the next thing, you got to find power armor, a power armor station. These stations are located in various places around the map, like the garage in the sanctuary or military bases. Approach the station and interact with it. Once you're at the station, enter your power armor by pressing the button prompt. After you're inside, you can choose to repair your armor. Select the piece that you want to fix and it's going to show you the required materials. If you have enough, confirm the repair. Now also, one thing I want to tell you, if I don't get into an accident over here, keep an eye out on the armor's condition while you play. If it gets damaged again, just repeat the process. Additionally, upgrade the armor at the station so you can also improve its performance. So consider that when you have the resources, consider it. So basically, yeah. So by keeping your power armor repaired, you're gonna stay safe and ready for any challenges in the wasteland. If you have any comments, something you want to help someone else with, if they're looking for this video, put it in the comments. Let me know.